you have 1,500 calories, and you decide, man, I'm really craving wings, it's Friday night. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna exercise my 20%. Let's say that whole wing order comes out to 1,000 calories. So that means that if I'm gonna have 1,000 calories for dinner, I got 500 only to use probably for lunch. So that means you may have to skip breakfast, have a 500 calorie lunch, and then your 1,000 calories will go on those wings. So you still end up at 1,500 calories. One of the things I'd like you to do is backtrack. Go into your MyFitnessPal, log whatever you had yesterday so that you can see how much you are in excess.